must hear this one. The whole world must hear this one. One man go use im own pikin take do ritual because of money. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My ogbonge people, one man go use im own pikin take do ritual because of money. My darling people, nothing wey person no go see for this social media nothing wey Musa no go see for gate. Hey, my darling people, my correct people. This woman come cry out she come begin dey cry say e hold the pikin for hand dey cry. As I see am I say wow, wetin go come make this man now go do this kind thing? Nothing wey poverty no go cause for that Nigeria. Nothing wey people no go use poverty take do because of money. My darling people, this man say because of say the poverty is too much, he no know what to do again. He don find work, he don tire, he no see work, he no get work. Then this man say wetin he go do now na to carry e pikin take go do money. As he discuss with a friend come tell am say wetin you go do, he go carry you go one baba. The baba go come do something for you, then you come take use for your pikin. Na in this you come take do money. Na in this man come follow a friend. As he reach where the baba dey, una know say when devil go wan give you something, he go still wan still collect from you. Una know na only God, baba God, na him go do something for you. He no go collect anything from you. Only wetin he just want from you na to come testify, give testimony, so that maybe people see hear e word. He no need money, he no need make you come kill somebody for am. But devil go make sure say he collect from you too. My ogbonge people na in this man come go the baba place. As he reach where the baba place, then the baba come tell am say, my dear, you go use your pikin o. Na your pikin, which pikin you love pass? Then the man come tell the baba say na him last pikin, na him love pass o. Na he come say okay, na that your pikin na you go use take do the money. Now you come carry pikin o, you come use am take do money. You come kpeme e pikin. As he kpeme e pikin finish now, money he no see. Not being he begin dey confess to his wife. Now his wife just start to dey cry come out say make people come hear am o. Now whole video me for dey see this kind thing whole video. I no know say dey happen for real life. Na in this woman now begin dey cry say make people come to a rescue. Her husband don go kpeme e pikin take do money Na in the thing shocktalize me, my ogbonge people. Why I dey do this video now na to just to advise our people. Make una no dey go all those fast lane again. E no good. You understand? E no good. Look for money in a genuine way. All those kind, I wan find money fast. I wan find money fast. You see wetin dey lead person to? Una see wetin e dey lead person to? I wan look for money. I wan make I get money fast. E no go lead you to better thing. E no go lead you to better thing. With the outcome of it, na be this one. You go kpeme your own pikin. My dear brothers and sisters, Look for money in a genuine way. Look for money in a genuine way. Don't look for money in a corner way. No. If you don't get money today, you know me say you no go get tomorrow. I know say work hard for Naija. If na like book a job, go dey do. One day, God go answer your prayer. God dey wash everybody. He dey wash all of us. Even help those who help themselves. Help yourself when they talk. They not talk. Say, make you go use your pikin to do money. Oh. Because of fast lane, many people don't use their mama. One where we see that time, no call. He use his mama. He go bury his mama alive. Or because of he want do money. Or because of one baba don't tell and say, bring your mama come. So, don't go use. He get one we call one of our presenter now. Say, I beg, make you show on the road where they do money. He go do. The presenter come back, they pretend like say he want really show on road. They come tell and say, okay, if you want to do that kind of thing, your pikin no. He say no problem. He go use the pikin. When the year matter, he say he go use the pikin. Poverty don't come make people now. They reason with their leg, under their leg. They know the reason for their head again. Because of poverty. Poverty don't cause so many things for that Naija. It don't cause so many things. My get people. Where did this word they turn it to? Where did this word they turn it to? We don't know again, no. We don't know again. Now, wow. That Naija, that person go be graduate, you go they do armed robber. Person go be graduate, you go they do armed robber. You no go get money, take it. A graduate is supposed to they work for better office. You can begin to shook your hand for different things. My darling people. Not be their fault, oh. Not be their fault. Work not dey Naija. Work not dey anywhere. Now they make them go they do this kind of thing. Hey, my darling people. The thing just they shockalize me as I see the video. I say no. Make I do this topic. As I see the picture. Like the thing really just pay me. Like seriously. My ogbonge people, what the best to go do now? I beg, more than leave on a comment anything you want to think about the video. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Bye. Please help me to share the video and always put thumbs up anytime you watch my video. Bye.